Hello, and welcome to MasterELD's first intro video on how to start your day using MasterELD. When first opening the app, you are greeted with a login screen where you will enter your driver login credentials that were either created by yourself, your company, and/or a MasterELD associate. After entering the username and password, you will have to select the truck in which you will be operating for your shift. Once you have logged in, now you are at the home screen of MasterELD. Before you start using MasterELD for your day, you will want to check a few things before you get on the road. First thing is first, check if you have made a connection to the adapter that is plugged into your truck. A sign that shows that you are not connected is if you see a red bar on the top that says the word scanning or not connected. Double check that Bluetooth is on for your tablet and make sure your device is securely fastened in the port of your truck. If your plug is giving you a white/green light, that means you have proper power to the device and that you are connected to your ELD device. Next, you will be able to go to your driver profile. You will want to click on the Profile tab next to Logs and verify that you have chosen the correct truck number. Then, enter your trailer number along with the shipping documents for your trip. Furthermore, scroll down and enter the from, the to, and then double check that you are logged in under the correct company. When all is said and done, make sure you hit the save button at the bottom to verify your information. That is all you need to check in order to make sure that you are ready for the road. Check out our next tutorial video on how to choose and select the correct working status on MasterELD.